Today is Sunday, December 9th, 2018. We hung the doors. Went about as smooth as it can go. Took about 30 minutes maybe. I ordered new hinge and bushing pin, new spring on the bottom, and a new roller on the door, but I couldn't get the old one off. I mean, I beat on it, but it didn't come off, so I just left it on there. So my theory of taking it apart from the pins worked because the door lined up pretty good. It doesn't need much adjustment from whenever the car was in primer. I got it taped shut right now because I don't have the strikers in. I am going to go ahead and cut this down and buff it. Didn't notice when the door was laying on the stand, but it has a little bit of texture, so, and it doesn't match the quarter panel. So I'm going to go ahead and that's on the to-do list. But didn't chip any paint, didn't scratch anything. I laid some bubble wrap down in the door jamb and taped all the edges. 3 people got this done in 15 minutes each side without any incident. And the gaps are actually pretty good, pretty level. Feeling good about it. Getting more space in here. So I'm going to buff the trunk out, put that on this week, a couple days. Got new door handle, put the moldings on. Think I'm going to get new strikers because the ones I have are all primered up and kind of beat up, so I don't want to put that on fresh paint. But moving right along, starting to look more like a car now. It's a shame I can't put the fenders on until I put a motor in. I could, but for what? So this is what it's going to look like for the next few weeks, a couple months maybe. Polish all the stainless, get all the trim on, get all the glass in, get the full interior in, dash, and then drivetrain. But since the doors are on now, I can move forward with all the interior. So stay tuned. Just a quick little video here. Color matches good. The texture on the paint matches good with the rest of the car. Feeling pretty good about it. So stay tuned for more.